This young girl, Miss Shalini Chauhan from Indirapuram Public School, Indirapuram. Mathematics educator, Global Teacher Award 2020, Forum of Public Schools Teacher Award, Teach SDGs Ambassador, Global Impactors Ambassador, T4 Ambassador, 3D Bear Ambassador, MIE, Microsoft Innovative Educator, Flipgrid Certified Educator, Wakelet Ambassador and Leader, Bansi Ambassador, Nearpod Certified Educator. Miles to go, Shalini.
Miss Shalini Chauhan, Indirapuram Public School, Delhi, India, to present the school story on SDG. Miss Shalini Chauhan, please take over the floor.
Thank you, Mr. Selvam. Greetings to all from India. It's an honor to present our school's SDG story on gender equality on this prestigious platform. We are a group of 6 schools and 3 institutions for higher studies. Director IGI has introduced SDGs in all the branches to actualize her vision of fostering a sustainable tomorrow. At TIES, we encourage, yes please. At TIES, we encourage girls to attend schools regularly and empower them to lead a respectable life. We promote their well-being by providing regular guidance about personal hygiene and address their day-to-day problems in our counseling sessions. We have been able to make a difference. Indirapuram Public School was a part of a project Equips, yes please, which was launched by British Council to promote, next slide please. Am I audible?
Yeah,
Yes,
you
ma'am,
are audible, ma'am.
next slide
You
is
are audible,
already
ma'am.
there.
So Indirapuram Public School was part of a project Equips launched by British Council to promote social progress by strengthening and empowering girls and teachers of Kasturba Gandhi Balika Vidyalaya in rural areas and to make them understand the importance of education and communication skills. There were 3 projects introduced in KGBV schools. First project was to school enterprises. Through simple but constructive activities, they were trained to make paper bags, diyas, incense sticks, etc. It not only gave them a sense of creative thinking, but also provided them with a skill set that would help them earn a living. Second activity was global citizenship. The girls were sensitized about the values of neighboring countries. Project Express Yourself in 100 Words was to develop communication skills in English. It benefited the mentor as well as the students to develop skills, form vision towards education in rural areas, self-learning and develop curiosity towards productive work. The school promotes ideas of equality in many ways. One such way is through similar uniforms. We can combat these gender roles by introducing gender-neutral uniforms for all. So for girls who don't feel comfortable wearing a skirt can choose pants. Apart from the post of head boy and head girl, all other leadership posts are devoid of any gender specifications. This gives an opportunity to both boys and girls to compete equally for varied posts. They win positions only on the basis of their merit and performances. Yes, please. IGI believes in nurturing global citizens. We are part of many international collaborative projects with great educators across the globe. Human happiness is one of them. Our teachers are happiness ambassadors and our students are part of this global project where they participated in an activity related to SDG 5, gender equality, to celebrate International Women's Day on 8th of March. Our teacher also participated in the Women in Action survey and kids submitted their responses on My Mother in Action on Flipgrid.
Indirapuram Public School. I would like you to meet the person who is our strength and inspiration. Any guesses? Meet my mom, Mrs. Sanjukta.
Hello.
She never leaves any stone unturned when it comes to the family.
Yes, please.
Indirapuram.
Here you can see fantastic responses of our learners on gender equality in the form of posters using various platforms. Yes, please. Next slide, please. Here are some posters, as you can see. And here are some comic strips and PowerPoint presentation on different schemes run by the government for the welfare of girl child. On 24th January, National Girls' Day was celebrated in collaboration with Smart Nari Smart Bharat, where the councillor emphasized on equal rights for women and to minimize sex differences. Gender equality around the globe. This activity depicts both men and women from any country, caste or race can do anything and can achieve big heights in their life. School carried out various activities to sensitize students that no job is specifically meant for men or women. We encourage students to create clippings, and our director also went ahead and spoke to the nation on APN News related to gender sensitivity.
करूं तो एक हेड बॉय और हेड गर्ल को अगर छोड़ दिया जाए, कोई भी, चाहे वो कल्चरल कैप्टन, चाहे वो स्पोर्ट्स कैप्टन, चाहे वो डिसिप्लिन कैप्टन, कहीं पे जेंडर स्पेसिफिक कोटा नहीं है। वो कोई भी मेरिट पे, चाहे 1-2 साल मेरे स्कूल के एक्सपीरियंस में ऐसा भी रहा है कि 56 मेंबर कमिटी स्टूडेंट्स काउंसिल की रही है, उसमें 48-49 सिर्फ गर्ल्स रही हैं।
The students explored that there is no job that is specifically meant for men or women. We both are equal and should be given equal opportunities and benefits. Using the occupation checklist at the end of this activity, students matched jobs and careers to genders. To navigate internet without any fear, a webinar on online safety of women was organized, which was supported by Ministry of Women and Child Development, wherein many solutions for making our accounts more protected were unfolded. Here is an example of breaking down gender stereotypes, sharing the care work and educating children about women's rights and gender equality.
For our world to keep progressing, gender equality has to happen. We must harness and use the potential of girls and women, providing girls and women with equal access to education, healthcare, and work will not only fuel sustainable economies, but it will also benefit all the societies economically. Me and my friends know the definition of gender equality and its importance, and have started it at home by respecting our mothers and all the women or girls around us.
So true equality is not the superiority of women, but the equal status of men and women. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
And then in the end, I would like to thank Shalini with wonderful presentation, a powerful voice, all the confidence in the world. And there she was talking about women empowerment in her presentation and all the good work they are doing in Indirapuram. Thank you, Shalini, for being such a good presenter. And